Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore how LlamaGen maintains character consistency in comics by creating multiple characters. First, let's head straight to the character creation page. Upload the prepared character avatar, then choose some descriptive details about the character. For instance, this is a male character, and his age is between 20 and 35 years old. Next, click on Next Step. Select the default outfit for the character, skip adding props, then move on to the final step and click the Generate button. Once the character creation is complete, I realized I forgot to give him a name, so I named him Jasper and saved the new name. Now, let's continue by creating another new character, a female character. Upload her prepared avatar, click Next Step. Set her age to also be between 20 and 35 years old. Then move forward without needing additional props or services. I click Complete Character Creation. And the process is fairly quick since most information comes from manual input. I named this new character Lily. I'm planning to create a comic about a couple strolling through the streets of Paris, so I created these two characters, Lily and Jasper, ahead of time using LlamaGen. Next, I move into my comic list page and click New Comic. Here, I add Jasper and Lily to the initial comic setup. Using the plus button in the top right corner of the character list, I can easily add them to the comic. Hovering the mouse over Jasper's avatar allows me to quickly copy his name to the clipboard. I repeat this for Lily's name. Then I paste their names into the script input box and type the comic script. Jasper and Lily are strolling through the streets of London. Create a 4-panel comic. Once I enter this prompt, I use the default 3D style. Hit Generate and wait for the comic to finish rendering. See? The whole process is really simple. After it's done, you can check out the completed comic, which includes Jasper and Lily, both of whom maintain great character consistency across panels. Now, let's create a new comic using a new art style. This time, let's select an anime-inspired style, resembling Studio Ghibli's aesthetic. Again, we add Jasper and Lily as the characters. Repeat the earlier steps. Copy Jasper and Lily's names